In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to do LeetCode 125, Valid Palindrome, also part of the top interview 150. Now, what this is asking us to do is to test whether or not a given string is a palindrome. Now, for example, this sentence here, spelled both backwards and forwards, is the exact same or a palindrome. You may be familiar with the race car example, where race car spelled forward and backwards is the same thing, but this is testing if race a car is also palindrome, which it is not, and we're going to write the test for that now here. So what we can do is we're going to define cleaned, and we're going to use a method that I used in a similar video using .join, but what we're going to do is we're going to do c.lower, as c is our variable, and we're going to use .lower to make it lowercase. Now what we're also going to do is for c in s if c is all num. Now what the all num function does, it filters out any punctuation, spaces, etc. Now we're going to come down a line and we're going to return cleaned, and we're going to test if it's equal to cleaned but reversed, which we're going to set up here. And that'll flip our string backwards. Essentially, we're just testing to see if backwards and forwards are the same or palindrome. We can run this. I realized I forgot to put a period here, so we can add that, and we could run this again. Now we can see it's accepted when I actually type it out correctly, and we could scroll down and see why. And we can now try submit. And you can see it's relatively good for runtime, but not as great for memory. Now that's you can solve LeetCode 125 Valid Palindrome, and I hope that helps.